I'm going to tell you 5 things that you can do to earn some cash this weekend. Number 1, you know all that crap you got laying around that you're not using anymore? Well, one person's trash is another person's treasure. So list that stuff online for sale. You can put it on places like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Macari, OfferUp, Nextdoor. There's other marketplaces out there too, but just post it, get it out there, have an online garage sale. You can even make up your own website and post that to other websites that has all of your stuff listed. Just take some good pictures of your items and make sure to write some concise descriptions so people know what you have to offer. Another thing that you can do on the weekends is gig apping. Personally, I've done Uber Eats, DoorDash, Postmates. I've done Caviar. I have done Instacart and Roadie. All of these gig apps are wonderful because they allow you to make as little or as much as you want. One weekend I was working and just decided to go hard one weekend, and I earned over $1,100 in the period of less than 3 days just driving food delivery. So it can be done. It's a good side hustle. Another thing that you can do is offer dog sitting services. There are a couple of apps that do this, Wag and Rover, but you can also just go around and put flyers on people's doors if that is legal in your area. Check your local legalities first before you go about and doing that. Anyways, opening up a dog walking service, a dog care service, even a doggy poo pickup business can get traction. There are 6 and 7 figure dog care businesses. You can even get creative with it and offer a doggy hiking service. Maybe you like to hike every weekend. Well, go ahead and take a neighborhood pooch with you. You can do some online surveys here and there. Those are paid. If you're an expert at any subject, you can tutor. Go ahead and offer your services online. There's so many different things that you can do.